Transform any vocal sample into a hypnotic progressive house earworm, all within FL Studio. First, let's dive into FL Studio and load up a raw vocal sample. I've got a snippet here that's crying out for a progressive house makeover. The magic starts with slicing open the Edison audio editor by right-clicking your audio clip here. We'll use manual highlighting to select specific vocal phrases or even single syllables. Think short, punchy pieces that will form the building blocks of your chops. Once you have your desired slices, drag them individually into the step sequencer to create a new sampler channel for each. This gives us maximum control over each individual vocal fragment. Now, let's bring these slices to life. Drag your sampler into Patcher for some advanced manipulation. Inside Patcher, we'll link the sampler's pitch and note data to our piano roll pattern. The key to catchy vocal chops is melodic phrasing. Experiment with different note combinations in the piano roll. Think about creating simple, memorable melodies that interweave with your track's main elements. Short, staccato notes often work best for that signature rhythmic feel. Effects processing is where the true character emerges. A touch of stereo delay and lush reverb can give your chops an ethereal, spacious quality. Don't be afraid to experiment with pitch correction and formant shifting using plugins like Pitcher to add unique timbres and character to your vocal fragments. To add dynamic movement, we'll use automation. Automate the volume to create swells and fades, and even automate the pitch for subtle glides or more dramatic jumps within your vocal melodies. This breathes life and energy into your otherwise static chops. Finally, arrange your vocal chop patterns throughout your progressive house track, layering them, panning them creatively, and ensuring they complement your bass lines, melodies, and percussion. Master these techniques, and you'll be crafting irresistible progressive house vocal hooks in no time.